DS17ZCK. I don't mind, he's allowed to take pictures of me. I'm that guy, yes. Sorry for your mate.
Why?
Should have stopped him from going on his phone, shouldn't you?
Huh?
If you'd been a good mate, you'd have stopped him from going on his phone. Sorry? Doesn't matter. You're not parked.
Yeah, my car is parked. Look, the engine's off.
Not so far out there in a queue for the traffic. You can make that. No, it doesn't work like that. Go look. If you go look it up on the highway code, you'll see. Anyway, here we go. We have a green light. Have a nice weekend. Carry on. He weren't on his phone. You can certainly argue that point with the police and the magistrates. What you doing on the phone there, sir? Echo Tango 18 November Kilo Charlie.